Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make over a little mini rolling pin from Hobby Lobby. So I got this little mini rolling pin at Hobby Lobby. I think it came in a pack of like 4 or 5, I think maybe 4. And I'm just going to take some burgundy paint, and I'm going to do both of the handles in the burgundy paint color. Once I have those painted, I'm going to sand off some of the excess paint to allow some of the wood to show back through. Then I'm going to take some of the brown antique wax, and I'm going to do the ends of the rolling pin and a little bit into the center of the rolling pin. And I'm also going to go over the handles. As you can see, I'm not going to do the whole center, just the ends. And then I'm going to put some onto the handles where I had sanded off that paint. Next, I cut a small piece of fabric to fit the rolling pin. I'm just going to take a good amount of Mod Podge, and I'm going to run that along the rolling pin, and then I'm going to wrap the fabric around it. So I want to make sure that I get a good thick coat to start, and then I'm just going to start rolling it on to the pin, and then just kind of hold it as I'm going and just kind of wrap it as I go. So I'm going to add some Mod Podge and then wrap it, and I'm going to continue that till it's fully covered. And this can be made in any different material that you have. This is just what I had on hand. So you can do it to match your decor style. And this one's going to be patriotic, and you don't have to do a patriotic one. You could do a farmhouse one, anything that matches your decor. So once I got to the end, I'm just going to trim off the excess, and then I'm going to add some Mod Podge to the end right there, and then pull it over. And then I'm going to Mod Podge the whole pin all over the whole fabric once I had it all on there. Now I'm just going to add a coat of Mod Podge. And there it is when it's all dry. And I just love that fabric. I got it at a thrift store. Next, I'm going to take a small piece of muslin that I ripped. I didn't cut it because I wanted the edges to be frayed. And I'm going to use my stamps from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to stamp USA on it. And then I'm going to take some Mod Podge, and I'm going to add that to the very front of the rolling pin. So I'm just going to add a coat of Mod Podge and then put the fabric right on top of that. And you can Mod Podge over this if you have the right kind of ink that won't bleed. I didn't end up Mod Podging over it. Next, I'm going to take some twine, and I'm going to wrap it around the pin. And then I'm just going to tie it in a bow. It wasn't easy to tie this on because the pin likes to roll around, likes to do its job. And I'm just going to tie that right into a bow. And then I'll cut off the excess twine. Kind of arrange the bow to get it to how you want it to look. You could use some ribbon for this. It's totally up to you. I just really like the twine. Next, I'm going to take a rusty star that I had, and I'm going to add that right to the center of the bow, and that is it. This project is super easy. It turned out so super cute. I absolutely love it, and it's going to look super cute with my patriotic decor. And like I said, you can make this your own by using different fabrics, however you want to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.